Welcome sa DRS 2.0. Fresh at nagbabagang happenings bang hanap mo? Mga padabarkads man yan o mga trending topics? Pwes, sagutin natin yan. Kaya naman isubscribe nyo na ang ating channel para sa mga nagbabagang balita everyday.
So ayan, welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel mga kadabarkads. And for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa mga importanteng ganap sa loob at sa labas ng Itbulaga. So kahapon po mga kadabarkads, nakasama natin sa Givefied, di ba? Yung mga ilan sa mga legit dabarkads na nakasama at sumali sa ating mga Tatak Itbulaga segment. Una, si Crazy Mix na dating sumali sa Mr. Pogi 2003. 16 years old daw siya noon nung sumali sa Mr. Pogi. Bukod pa doon, sumali rin pala ito sa ibang Tatak Itbulaga segment gaya ng Itsumo Rap at Tunog Tao. Ngayon ay isa na siyang rapper. Nakasama rin natin kahapon si Miss TV Babe 2001, second runner-up, at si Little Miss Philippine, semi-finalist 1991, si Christine Perez. Samantalang, congratulations naman po sa isang dabarkads natin na kung saan ay may panibagong project. Yes po mga kadabarkads, meron po siyang movie. Walang iba kundi po itong si Andres Mulak. Makakasama po niya sa first movie niya itong si Ashtin Olviga. At yung movie pinamagatang Minamahal 100 Bulaklak para kay Luna. Alam niyo po, right after ng announcement na yan, grabe yung trending dito po sa X. Number 1 trending ang hashtag Andres as Rappi, 19.7k posts. And syempre, Ashtin as Luna, 19.8k na posts. And trending din itong Andres aming minamahal, 19.7k na posts. Grabe mga kadabarkads, diba? Talagang gagawan agad nila yan ng movie ng next project kasi nakita po ng management kung gaano kalakas ang tambalang Ashtres, diba? So nakakatuwa lang at nakaka-proud dito kay Dabarkads Andres na talaga namang namamayagpag sila dito po sa showbiz industry. Usapang Atasha Mulak naman, wag nating kalilimutan ang Ultimate Fan Con and Grand Concert. Magaganap po yan August 15. August 15 yan ha. And sa mga nagtatanong naman kung si Atasha Mulak ba ay babalik pa daw ba sa Itbulaga. So meron tayong nakitang interview dito po sa isa sa mga community ni Atasha Mulak na once na matapos daw po yung kanyang taping, babalik daw po siya sa Itbulaga. And also, namimiss niya na daw po ang Itbulaga family. Next topic naman, pag-usapan natin itong binahagi po ni Ma'am Pauline Luna Soto sa kanyang Instagram account kagabi. So siya po ay nagpunta sa burol ng namayapang si Nanay Lolit Solis. Sobrang love na love niya po si Nanay Lolit Solis dahil para na rin niya po itong totoong nanay. Nakita naman natin, 'di ba, kung gaano po sila magkamustahan, mag-usap at in touch sa isa't isa. Usapang Main and Miles naman tayo mga kadabarkads. So kahapon hindi po ba na-topic natin yung tungkol sa pansinan po ni na Main and Miles Ocampo na naganap doon sa Sugod Bahay mga kapatid live na live. So si Main Mendoza pala ay binanggit niya yung pangalan ni Miles. Thank you friends and Miles. Kaya pala tuwang-tuwa din po si Miles Ocampo nang nireplyan po siya ni Main Mendoza sa kanyang pagbate para po sa 10 years anniversary nito sa Itbulaga. So sana magtuloy-tuloy na po yun mga kadabarkads. And narito nga po yung post ni Main Mendoza sa kanyang Instagram account. Kalakip nito yung ilang picture na kung saan talaga naman pong grateful at thankful siya na naging parte po siya ng Itbulaga. Sabi niya dito, a decade already. Just wow! Truly grateful for the journey and the people I've shared it with. Having Itbulaga as my home all these years has been such a blessing. Maraming salamat sa 10 taon, Dabarkads. At hindi lang po yan mga ka-Dabarkads, meron pa siyang statement dito po sa isang community or group niya na kung saan makikita niyo po yung emosyon ni Maine Mendoza habang tinatype niya po ang mga statement na nilabas niya. Medyo may kahabaan lang ha. Sabi niya, wow, can you believe it's been a decade? Where did time go? Napakabilis. A lot has happened and it's amazing how everything has unfolded. From a timid girl who inadvertently ended up in the spotlight to a still timid woman who embraces the steadiness of life. I'm happy and grateful to be standing where I began and where I have always chosen to be. 10 years, a decade, just wow. Looking back on my journey always fills me with a smile. I remember the high and lows, wins and losses, noise and silence. Some days may have been overwhelming, especially when I was starting, but it was when while it lasted. I sure did try to ride the wave to the best of my ability. And it's amazing to think that I made it alive. What a wild ride. When things felt overwhelming then, I found comfort in music. Michael Bubbles' Home resonated deeply with me. How much I long to be home despite all the attention, admiration, and adulation. I was always struck by the realization amid the surge of cheers that I still preferred the tranquility of life. I've always found myself seeking a place of silence and peace. I wanted to return to the mundane. You bet not everyone is after fame and the spotlight. And I find comfort in the fact that nothing lasts forever and what I had was a fleeting phase in my life. Sounds ridiculous, but it's true. Some might have wondered how can someone feel empty despite seemingly having almost everything, and how selfish, inconsiderate, and ungrateful it can seem when someone chooses their own peace. It's ironic how unconditional love can sometimes be conditional and demanding. How a person can easily throw hate as much as they have shown love. I guess that's what makes us human. We are all complex like that. That said, I hope all wounds from the past have healed over time. I hope the good memories have overshadow the painful ones. After all, there is so much to remember and so much to hold dear. If you have been part of my journey in any way, thank you for sharing a piece of yourself with me. It's been a pleasure to share a part of myself with each of you. I am truly grateful for the time, effort, and love you have relentlessly given it. Thank you to those who stood by me from the beginning. Thank you for sticking around even when there seemed to be no more reason to for walking with me through every season, even when it's more interesting to walk away, and for simply embracing who I am and all that I have to give. Thank you for keeping up with the mundane, for embracing stillness with me. At the end of it all, what we truly long for is the comfort of being home. And I have been blessed to have Itbulaga as my home. I'll always find a home with the Dabber gods who have seen and accepted all facets of me. It's a big blessing not everyone gets to experience. What a privilege it truly is to be part of this family. Maraming salamat, Dabber gods. I will always be right here in the place I can call home. Muli maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat mula noon hanggang ngayon. So yan po yung naging statement ni Maine Mendoza bilang parte po ng 10 years anniversary niya. So ang haba, 'di ba? Ilan to? Mga 6 siguro to na statement, mga Kadaber Cards, kasama po yung post niya sa Instagram. So muli, happy 10 years anniversary Maine Mendoza. And hopefully magtuloy-tuloy ng mag-heal kung ano man po ang namamagitang tampuhan sa inyo ni Miles Ocampo. So hanggang dito na lamang po ang update natin. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pag-suporta.